Good Monday morning to you, my friend. I'm so glad you're able to spend some time with me here on A Slice and a Piece of Cake. It is Microwave Meal Monday, and today it is Battle of the Shelf Stable Microwave Meal Food. These are not cheap, my friend. Well, this one was. This is contender number one. This is the Ben's Original Street Food. This is the bean and rice burrito bowl. Now, I picked this up at the grocery outlet in Portland, Oregon for 97 cents, which is a steal because these shelf-stable microwave meals are not cheap. This is a new product. This is 9 ounces, 255 grams. So this is contender number one. Now this is contender number two, Ben's Original Street Food. Again, new. This is the Jamaican jerk style red bean rice with chicken. This one is 255 grams. Now I picked this up on the clearance rack at Save On Foods. This was $2.99. I will insert a clip of what they're charging at Superstore for these Ben's Original shelf-stable meals. Now, Dollarama sells these Ben's Originals for $3.50. That would be the cheapest place to pick these up in Canada. These shelf-stable Ben's Original meals, $3.50 at Dollarama. There is a third variety that I picked up on the clearance rack at Fred Meyer. It was, I think, the gumbo and sausage. It would have been a three-way battle, except I don't know where I put the Ben's Original gumbo and sausage shelf-stable meals. I grew up knowing the brand as Uncle Ben's. This was a limited edition Uncle Ben's converted rice, and it came in this reusable tub. So that's what I know it as, Uncle Ben's. I also won a walk from Uncle Ben's, and it was a Chinese New Year promotion. Cooking brings us closer, begin with Ben. So that's what that looks like. It says, congratulations, you have won a walk. Walk Wednesdays just got better. That's what the walk looks like. And I grew up knowing the brand as Uncle Ben's, but now it's just Ben's Original. Let's take a closer look at the contenders on this battle of the shelf-stable microwave meal. This is a new product. This is Ben's Original Street Food Bean and Rice Burrito Bowl. No artificial flavors, no colors from artificial sources. We are gonna microwave this for 90 seconds. It's 9 ounces, 255 grams. These are the nutritional facts. Per one tray, 380 calories, 1 gram of saturated fat, 590 milligrams of sodium, and 3 grams of total sugars. These are the microwave directions. It's gluten-free. There's 10 grams of protein, 9 grams of fibers, vegetarian. Discover crave-worthy flavor. When you're craving a tasty and exciting entree but don't know what to cook, our street food bowls have got you covered. Ready in just 90 seconds, every street food dish is bursting with mouth-watering flavor from carefully chosen ingredients. Explore the full street food lineup to give your taste buds what they crave. This is distributed by Mars Foods US. Let's take it out of the container. So that's contender number one. Again, this would just be a snack for me. Now this is contender number two, Ben's Original Street Food Jamaican jerk style red beans and rice with chicken. This is the Canadian version. Why? Because there's English and French required on the labeling. No artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. So this is 400 calories per one container, 255 grams. This is a product of the US of A, perfect in 90 seconds, inspected for wholesomeness by U.S. Department of Agriculture. This is gluten-free, rich in fiber, no artificial preservatives. Discover crave-worthy flavor. When you're craving a tasty and exciting entree but don't want to cook, our street food bowls have got you covered. Ready in just 90 seconds, every street food dish is bursting with mouthwatering flavor from carefully chosen ingredients. Explore the full street food lineup to give your taste buds what they crave. These are the nutrition facts. Per one container, 255 grams is 400 calories, 9 grams of fat, 4 grams of sugar, and 580 milligrams of sodium. These are the microwave directions. Let's take contender number 2 out of its packaging. So I'm gonna cook both of these at the same time in the microwave. It says 90 seconds. So the microwave directions: peel back corner of film, microwave on high for 90 seconds, let stand for a minute, stir and serve immediately. Microwave times may vary, so it doesn't tell you what the 90 seconds, what wattage that is based on. My microwave is kind of high wattage, so I'll check on it after a minute. But I will cook both of them at the same time. So let's head to the microwave. I am starving. Let's get this battle going. Now it says to peel the corner, so that's what I'm gonna do. So they both fit in the microwave. I'm gonna microwave this for 90 seconds. I think I'm gonna do it for 30 more seconds, only because I have 2 of them in there. I mean, they do feel hot, but I'm gonna do it for 30 more seconds. Just waiting for the steam to happen. It's definitely ready now. So contender number 1, this is the rice and beans. Oh, it's hot. So that's what we're looking at. Okay, you can see the beans and the peppers and the corn. It is labeled on the film. So Jamaican jerk, take a look. That's the Jamaican jerk with chicken. See the red beans. This is contender number 1. It's bean and rice burrito bowl. This is contender number 2, Jamaican jerk style red bean with rice and chicken. Okay, it's a bit hard. Look at this. So you gotta break it up. Looks very colorful, doesn't it? We'll break this one up. I don't know, I have a feeling I might have to microwave this because it looks kind of hard. Look at that. We'll just break it up some more, but that's what we're looking at. It does feel hot, so I think it's just a matter of breaking it up. Fluffing it up, if you will. I will say of the 3, the gumbo spoke to me. I don't know where I put it, somewhere in the house. It would have been a 3-way battle. Definitely that was the one that spoke to me. The one that really didn't speak to me was the bean and rice burrito bowl. This one here that I'm fluffing up. I haven't eaten a lot of Mexican food. The Jamaican, I'm afraid, might be too hot. We are duking it out today on Battle of the Shelf Stable Microwave Meal. Contender number 1, we're gonna have a bite of the Ben's Original Street Food. This is the bean and rice burrito bowl. I do see the corn and the beans and the red peppers. Let's have a bite. Bon appetit. Oh, there is a bit of a kick. Wow. That's really interesting. I mean, it is full of flavor. But again, I'm not really used to eating Mexican food, but there is definitely a kick to this. Let's take a look at the ingredients. So there's parboiled long grain rice, black beans, diced tomatoes in juice, diced red peppers, corn, diced onion, diced poblano peppers. Ooh, that's where the kick comes from. Less than 2% of chopped green onion, spices, salt, cilantro, lime, juice concentrate, blah, blah, blah. Okay. It's not bad. I'm not going to complain for 97 cents. It does have that, you know, that burrito, the bean, like the mashed up kind of bean texture. Not bad. I don't hate it, but I don't love it at the same time. I think for the burrito bowl, I think it's a yellow light. We're gonna move on to contender number 2. This is contender number 2. Jamaican jerk style red beans with rice and chicken. Let's look at the ingredients first. Water, long grain, parboiled rice, red bell peppers, cooked chicken pieces. Okay, there's chicken pieces in there. I like that. Chicken, meat, water, isolated soy protein, rice, starch, salt, sodium phosphate. That was under chicken pieces. Then there's onions, red kidney beans, soybean oil, rice vinegar, brown sugar, spices, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, chicken fat, xanthan, gum, and herb. All right, get eating on this. Bon appetit. Let me just move this over. Ooh, definitely a lot of spices for this one. I get a bit of sweetness in this one. And the spices. This one has 4 grams and the burrito bowl only has 3 grams. So it is a little bit sweeter. Gonna have a sip of tea. They both have a bit of a kick. The heat is kicking in for the Jamaican jerk. All right. Is there one I like more than the other? I would have to say, I think I'm gonna give them a yellow light. They are potential repurchase. I don't love them. I can't give it a green light. I don't hate it. I can't give it a red light. So it's a yellow light. It's a potential repurchase. Well, let me take that back. I got the burrito one from Grocery Outlet for 97 cents. Like that would be a definite pickup. But would I pay $2.99 on the clearance rack again for the Ben's Original Street Food? I would have to say no. Although I have not tried the gumbo one yet. I would have to say at the moment, I don't think I would repurchase the Jamaican jerk unless it was 97 cents, like at the Grocery Outlet. But the winner today, I don't know, let me have another bite. I get a bit of the lime flavor now. All right, Jamaican jerk. It did have brown sugar, I believe. I'm not liking the sweetness of it. I'm not liking the spices. So I think on today's battle of the shelf-stable Ben's Original Street Food, this one takes the K today. It's the Ben's Original Street Food. This is the bean and rice burrito bowl. I'm just not really liking the sweetness. Something about this Jamaican jerk is the sweetness or something just does not, it's just something's I don't really quite like about it. Have you tried the Ben's Original Street Food, the shelf-stable microwave meals? Go look for it at the grocery store. Not cheap. I definitely would not pay whatever they're asking for at Superstore. Definitely, that is a red light. I would not pay that price for the meal. This was an amazing deal at Grocery Outlet, 97 cents. Yeah, absolutely. Pick it up for a snack. But even at $2.99, it's a bit much. I would probably rather have a frozen meal, like a Michelina's or something. I think I would prefer that over this. That is microwave meal, battle of the shelf-stable microwave meal. My friends, I hope you have an amazing week ahead. As always, my friend, take care, stay safe, stay hydrated. Make sure you come back and join me here for another slice and a piece of cake. It is like, ooh, there is a kick to them. So, time for dessert. Okay, I got this a while ago at the Grocery Outlet. I did not realize this is Ben and Jerry's. This is Tony's Chocolonely. In any case, this one was, I think was 99 cents at the Grocery Outlet. I bought this a long time ago. In fact, the expiry, this is made in Belgium. I just need a bit of dessert because this is like, woo, my mouth is on fire. This is a little bit of a bonus. I know you probably can't see it, but the best before is September of 2023. It ain't gonna kill you. This is the Tony's, Ben and Jerry's Tony's Chocolonely. This one is a dark milk chocolate with brownie. These are super expensive. So I picked this up at the Grocery Outlet for 97 cents. A while ago, like I said, the expiry was 2023. There is a story behind the Tony's Chocolonely chocolate love affair. Oh, I'm gonna have a bite of it, even though it's 2 years past the best before. It ain't gonna kill you. All right. Anything to take the fire out of my mouth. It's not even gray. Bon appetit. Mmm. It is a thick chocolate bar. Mmm. That is a good chocolate. Wow. Mmm. I certainly wouldn't pay $12 or whatever it is for the bar. This is good chocolate, my friend. Really good chocolate. Wow, I'm impressed. Mmm. Mmm. Definitely enjoying this more than the rice. Mmm. Mm.